Upgrading a cabinet's hardware can improve functionality. It's also a simple project you can do yourself. Here's a list of supplies you'll need. First, remove the door by unscrewing the old hinges from the cabinet frame. Then unscrew the old hinges from the cabinet door. To position the new hinges, set a combination square at the hinges to be equidistant from the door's top and bottom edge. Then place the new hinge in position and mark drill holes for the screws. Next, drill the pilot holes using a bit slightly smaller than your screw. Then secure the hinges to the door and reattach hardware or install new knobs and handles. The last step is to reattach the cabinet door by screwing the new hinges into the cabinet frame. Repeat with each door until the project is finished. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.